Imagine you have a table with thousands of sales records, and your boss asks, what is the total revenue for this month? Are you going to add every number manually? No way. That's where the SQL SUM function comes in, your shortcut to instant answers. In this video, you'll learn how to use it step by step with super easy examples. Hey everyone! Today we're learning about the SUM function in SQL. It helps you add numbers from a column in a table quickly and easily. By the end of this video, you'll be able to calculate totals, use SUM with conditions, combine it with other SQL features. Let's move to computer screen. Understand it with real database. The SUM function is used to add values in a column. Here is basic syntax. It takes all the numbers in that column and gives you one total. We have a table called sales. Now we want the total sales amount. Boom! The result is single total sales amount.
Now, we change the query. Let's say we only want prices above 100. The query will add only laptop, monitor, printer, and desk chair. This is super useful when filtering data. Now we make some further changes to the query. We want total sales per category. This shows how SUM works with group by to calculate totals for each category. What if some values are null or empty? Here is good news for us. SUM automatically ignores null values. No errors, no problems.
You will use SUM in real projects like total revenue, total products sold, total expenses, monthly reports. Basically, anytime you need a total, SUM is your best friend. That is it for today. Next time, we shall explore more SQL functions to make your queries even smarter. See you in the next video. Goodbye.